It looked to me like we were using the base of the spike from yesterday as support. So you can see as A period pulled back, I entered right there, basically at that POC and at that green dash line. I started looking for targets. I'm looking at that VWAP at the halfback area. That's the weekly POC. And then you have the settlement right there at the dashed green line. So I decided I want to front run that halfback from overnight. Figure if we get that far, there's a pretty good chance that we're going to, we'll pull back and there'll be another chance to get in. I believe that target's about 40 ticks. I start looking for my 27. This lines up pretty good with that VWAP, so I'm thinking that's going to be my target. You can notice I only have one contract in this trade. When I trade early in the morning like this, I don't, I've been trading 4 a lot, but first thing in the morning, I usually only trade one contract. I actually don't trade that often right at the open like this unless it seems obvious. You can see how we're just pushing on the top of that low volume, or the top of that node right at the low volume node there. It'd be 40 ticks, basically front running that halfback. I really wish at this point I had at least 2 contracts so I could, I would normally take one at that 27 and then put the other one at the 40 at that halfback. You can see how we just keep pressing on the top of that node. So that give me the confidence to stay in this. I've moved my stop up to break even. I feel like if this comes back, it's going to come back pretty hard. So I want to, I might as well be out of it. Maybe I'd get a chance to enter lower. I'm just pointing out that area because I think you can see how the volume node kind of breaks off there. You get a little bit of a low volume node. You can see how the main node, kind of fades off into that low volume node there. So I'm watching that pretty good, but it seems like we're pressing on it. So I think we're going to keep going. Once we get up here with the one contract, I'm not giving back the 27. So if it would have pushed through here quickly, I would have, held on to it. Kind of make an adjustment. I do extend that target just a few ticks. And then as it pushes up towards it, I go ahead and take it right here. And there you see it does bump up there. I should have held it, but with the one contract, I just wasn't going to do it. I think it actually does hit that 40 ticks at a certain point.